Hello everyone, Jason here, CEO of binaryreports.net. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. And today's topic will be binary options and how you can make some sweet cash on it. So I know you probably heard that 1,000 times before, but this is actually a legit way that doesn't involve selling anything or doing anything uh, super shady. This technique involves the stock market, and I know that can sound super scary for some of you, but I just want to ensure that it isn't scary at all. I don't have any previous experience in trading stocks or options or anything related to the stock market, but I found this website called empirebinaryoption.com. And I also found this method that I outlined on my website binaryreports.net/method, um, and I also had a link in the description. Uh, this is a way to make a lot of money in a quick, efficient way dealing in the stock market. So by using this strategy that I found and created, everything becomes super easy. So what I did was I started with an account at empirebinaryoption.com with $250, and I've only been trading for the past 24 hours. So as I said, I started with 250 bucks, and now I'm at $483.50. So I lost a couple of trades trying to get a feel for the platform, but then when I implemented my strategy, everything took a turn for the better. So what is binary option? A binary option is a bet on whether or not a security or stock will be above or below a point within a certain time. So I like short-term stuff. I don't want to sit here all day to see a few successful trades. It bores me, and that's why I'm going with 60-second options. So what I else really love about Empire is that they'll give you stats on how other traders are thinking the graph is gonna go, as you can see here. So I'm gonna find a asset that has the majority of traders' choice going in one direction. So if we start looking through the different assets they have, what I'm gonna do is find as I said, one with the majority of going one direction. So this is just to show you how the platform works and how you can make some money. So this one, 63% thinks it's gonna be the graph is gonna go up. So if you go in the money, so if I make a call on $20, that means I'm gonna make 33 bucks. All right, so that's an extra 65% that I can make in 60 seconds. So if I invest $100, I will get $165 added to my account. So that's one of the reasons I'm going with Empire, because they have some heavy payouts that's really beneficial for your trading. So I'm gonna go ahead and invest the $20 in this asset, in this currency pair, and confirm the trade. So we're able to watch this trade meanwhile while I'm talking. So the great thing about binary option is that there isn't really anything you need to be worried about. Not news, not markets, not anything else than to decide where the graph is gonna move within the next 60 seconds. And within that time frame, very little happens. So a lot of times you can just implement my strategy to make between 65 to 80% return on your investment. Now there's a lot of things that goes into binary options, but then again, that's where my algorithmic strategy comes into place, and I'll explain all of that on my website that I'll list it down below. So back to the trade, 7 seconds left. I bought this currency pair right here, and I made a call, which means it's gonna go up. So if it wins, which it did, I'm gonna make $33. So a successful trade, $33 were added to my account. This was in 60 seconds while I was talking to you guys, and this stuff happens all day. So if you check my balance, I now have $496, and I made $14 or $13 in 60 seconds. And that is what I think everyone should have the ability to do. So I'm actually gonna cut off the video in a second and track my progress throughout the week and come back on Friday. And what I hope is, and what my goal and what I hope is to make $7,000. And to make that in a week is quite significant to me, and I think that will be quite significant to you guys too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start trading and come back at the end of the week. So take care guys, and I'll be back soon. Hello everybody, welcome back. Sorry for the introduction because I'm putting in the same video as before. So as you can see, I have my last trade coming in for the week. Basically it's my last successful trade that I just finished, and so as you can see it's 3 p.m. And it's Friday. I've had a long week of trading. I had a lot of fun and made a lot of money. Sadly, I thought I said my goal was about $7,000 this week. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. I worked my ass off, but I had too many. I had a couple of too many losing trades at the end, and wasn't able to make the 7,000. So I'm about $700 short. But however, if you remember where I was when I started at the beginning of the week, I believe I was around $400 to $500. I'm not at 6,367 and 50 cents. That is an amazing return on investment, and that is a lot of money for me, especially for me that couldn't get a job anywhere. So this is basically how I've been living, learning and prospering the last week. I mean, even if I got a job somewhere, I wouldn't be able to make 6,000 to 7,000 in a week. And I only started with an investment of $250. So that is a massive increase in the amount of money I made. And percentage-wise, that is a substantial increase. So if I were to continue on this train, and I would probably make a lot more. And it just keeps compounding like that, and that is one of the beauties of finance, and that is one of the beauties of investing, and that is one of the things I talk about on my website, but I go really in depth on how you can use my algorithms and my strategy to make the same money I made. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I really urge you guys to go to my website and sign up at Empire, because this has really been a life-changing experience, and it's continuing to change my life for the better. So check out my site binaryreports.net/method that I also linked down below, and thank you for watching.